Hi! Sarika! In this video, you are going to know how I got here in Thailand and live for almost 6 years now. So by the way, ako si Kurt, breadwinner. Pamilya muna bago sarili. Hi Kurt! And this is Neil. And today, I am here in the beautiful island of Koh Saman. So I came here with May Fernale passing through the horrific immigration officer. Ang advantage lang po sa amin kasi may friend na kami naka-base dito sa Thailand. See? Jovan! Yes, Jovan Harenio, shout out! May titirahan kami and it's not difficult for us to navigate the place. So after the day that we arrive, nag-apply kaagad kami sa pinakamalapit na school. Tapos, nag-demo. Tapos in-interview. And we're so grateful guys because nakuha namin yung job offer sa first application namin. Remember guys, that was 2019. Tapos maraming mga schools na hiring those times. It's far different in today's scenario. And I think I'm gonna be making another video for that. In my nearly 6 years, I think, of staying here in Thailand is a mix of ups and downs, of course. So I experienced a lot of utang, missing homes, and especially depression. Yeah, I got depression, guys. Clinically depressed. Especially nung COVID times pa. That's the reason why I change schools often. 3 times ako nag-change ng schools, guys. Because I feel like I'm not satisfied with my situation. I am not happy anymore. And I am not mentally stable. Tapos yung mga decision ko ay very impulsive. So, those were times. But right now, I am feeling happy and satisfied with my workplace. So, no moving yet. Contract pala sa school ko ay 1 year lang. Tapos, renewable siya another year if your performance is good. Kailangan nating magtrabaho guys at i-renew yung contract kasi marami tayong utang na binabayaran. Tapos hindi tayo makakagala ng ganito. Oo. I'm happy with my situation now, especially that I am surrounded with the cutest, the nicest family in Chiang Mai. My Ngekmok fam. Hi! Shout out sa inyo ha. And I also have my loving Thai besties, JJ and P News. Thank you so much for loving me. So much for that. If you have any question, answer it as a new content for the next video. So guys, don't forget to share and follow me in Facebook here, IG here, and of course my TikTok here. Sili na ko maglangan. Sawadee ka!